Leadwell CNC Machines Manufacturing Corporation. Developing quality and superior machine tools are indispensable in the fundamental growth of the agricultural, transportation, petroleum, and aerospace industries. High-speed cutting, positioning, accuracy, and powerful software applications are essential components that challenges machine tools industry today. The trend of high productivity in machine tools is a significant step to the changing world. Leadwell CNC Machines Manufacturing Corporation is dedicated to bringing innovation, excellence, and technology to the next millennium. October 1980, Leadwell CNC Machines Manufacturing Corporation was founded. February 1982, Leadwell created Taiwan's first vertical machining center. January 1993, Leadwell received the Outstanding Award by the First National Award of Excellence. March 1997, Leadwell received the Award of Excellence at Taipei's International Machine Tool Show. May 1997, Leadwell was awarded the Silver National Award of Excellence. And Leadwell received the Award for Quality Management. Efficient management system and organization structure is how Leadwell services its customers. The Internet facilitates communication, bringing service problems up to date and generating enormous volumes of sales for Leadwell. Taichung's plant. This is the new headquarters, located in the industrial park, occupying 47,600 square meters, or 5.6 million square feet. Over the last 3 years, the machining center had 51% of annual sales, while the turning center and lathes had 38%. Most products are related to precision machines and automation. Leadwell provides a full range of machines, a CNC vertical machining center, CNC horizontal machining center, CNC turning center. Leadwell provides a 5-phase machining center and an integration control system to expand full automation of the mechanical industries. Leadwell's self-brand and OEM products penetrate all machine tools markets by a diversified marketing strategy. Altogether, 68% of Leadwell's sales are to Europe and North America, while the remaining 32% is to Latin America, Asia, and South Africa. Representative cooperation partners of Leadwell include Cincinnati Millicron of the USA, Gildemeister of Germany, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries of Japan. Representative end users of Leadwell include Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, a nuclear plant of Britain, and Boeing. Here, you can see Leadwell's impressive growth in both volume and profit. Leadwell is ahead of the game. Leadwell's R&D team is highly educated and trained with extensive experience. Leadwell engineers are devoted to the designing of third-generation machine tools that will be integrated with advanced software and controls for the machines. Recently, Leadwell's Model CT200 small lathes received the Award of Excellence for Taiwan machine tools. Quality is our nature. All machines go through strict inspection using a coordinate measuring machine, a laser measuring machine, and roundness machine, the dynamic balancing machine. Leadwell acquired certification of CNLA for a precision laboratory in 1992. The following year, Leadwell passed the certification of ISO 9002 and the CE safety mark identified by the European market. Leadwell also passed the certification of Environment Management System, ISO 14000, to ensure that the products are regulated under environmental protection. Human capital is scarce. However, it's the basis of a successful enterprise. Leadwell is a true believer in educating its employees, putting strong emphasis on training and retraining the management team. Leadwell is also very caring of its employees, providing various benefits in a healthy and happy environment. Search of excellence to win respect is what Leadwell truly believes. However, Leadwell also believes in the challenge of what excellence will be in the next century. Leadwell will continue its efforts in the challenge, expanding from its core competence of CNC machine tools to other products, such as automated control electric products, semiconductor process equipment, medical equipment, and aerospace industries. With the combination of increased productivity, sales activity, and a new computerized management and inventory system, Leadwell will increase profits and efficiency,